A straight piece of wire 5 centimeter long, L is equal to 5 centimeter, placed horizontally on the surface of water and gently pulled up. It is found that a force of this much is required. In addition to weight of wire is required for that purpose. What is the surface tension of water? S is equal to F by 2L. So 7 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 2 into L value 5 into 10 power minus 2. So here we get 0.7 into 10 power minus 1 or 7 into 10 power minus 2 Newton per meter. Here a vertical glass plate, bottom surface is in touch with water. So here actually this is a rectangle and we have to consider the circumference of the rectangle, and actually here we get here S is equal to force by not just length, 2 lengths 2 breadths. But compared to length, breadth is negligible. That's why we ignored this and we have written just F by 2L. But now here in this problem we have to consider the entire circumference. So here in place of this we have to consider the entire circumference. Suppose the internal circumference, what it becomes, S is equal to mg by, so internal circumference plus external circumference. See, the internal circumference becomes 2 pi r1. External circumference becomes 2 pi r2. So mg by 2 pi r1 plus r2. So this is the formula we have to use. Is given 3.97 grams means 3.97 into 10 power minus 3 kg. Now R1 internal diameter is 8.7 centimeter, that is 8.7. External diameter, sorry, this is internal diameter is 8.5 and external diameter is 8.7. Substituting the values, we get the surface tension. The answer you have to get is this much. A circular ring of radius 7 centimeter is horizontally supported from the pan of a balance so that it comes in contact with the water in a glass vessel. What force will be required to detach it from the surface of water? So the usual formula we use is, say, S is equal to F by 2L. But here this is not 2L. Say or mg by 2L. So this is for vertical glass plate or a stick. Vertical glass plate or a stick. Suppose a stick, previously we did a problem one. A stick is hang in the water. Similarly, a glass plate for glass plates. For this ideal, L plus L, 2L comes. Similarly for stick, this ideal, similarly this ideal, L plus L, we use 2L. But for a ring, we consider for a ring S is equal to F by internal circumference plus external circumference. But here we used this. See, we used this formula for this one, where it is having this shape. It is having internal circle, external circle, internal radius, external radius. For that you considered internal circumference and external circumference, like this, 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2, like that you considered. But here this is just a ring, it has no two separate radii, even though, see, it is having only, see, this is having only one radius, then what we do, internal circumference 2 pi r and external circumference also 2 pi r, so we write 4 pi r. So in this problem force is asked, so we make force subject. Surface tension is given. Radius is given. The answer is a circular disc of radius 7 by pi centimeter is placed horizontally on the surface of water. Find the vertical force required to separate it from the water surface. See here, for a ring, you considered internal circumference and external circumference. But this is a disc. This disc has only one circumference. Therefore, the formula is F by circumference. Only one circumference. That is, if the radius is r, we write just 2 pi r. That's all. So from this we get F is equal to S into 2 pi r. S value 0.07. Radius is 7 by 4, 10 power minus 2. So we get the answer 9.8 into 10 power minus 2 Newton. One metal annular ring of inner radius 7 cm and outer radius 14 cm and negligible weight is floating on the surface of liquid. If the surface tension is this much, find force required to detach it from liquid surface. So this is having inner radius and outer radius. Therefore, S is equal to F by inner circumference plus outer circumference. Inner circumference means 2 pi r1, outer circumference means 2 pi r2. So from this, S into, so we make use of this formula. Now let us do problems on excess pressure. For liquid drop or air bubble in a liquid, the formula is and for soap bubble, four S by R. If the diameter of a soap bubble is 10 mm and its surface tension this much, find the excess pressure inside the bubble. So for soap bubble, the excess pressure is 4S by R. So S value is and R value is, so this is diameter, so we substitute. So we get the answer. If two soap bubbles of radii R1 and R2 in vacuum coalesce under isothermal conditions, what is the radius of the new bubble? Let the number of moles in this N1 and in this soap bubble the number of moles N2 and in this number of moles say N. Now PV is equal to nRT or N is equal to PV by RT. So substituting in one equation, see N1 means P1 V1 by RT1, but here under isothermal conditions he says. So here isothermal condition means T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T. Temperature will be constant. So here we write T only. Substituting here. So we get this equation. Now see, excess pressure for soap bubble is 4S by R. P is equal to say 4S by R. Now volumes 4 by 3 pi R1 cube so let us substitute these values into, we get 4S by R1 into 4 by 3 pi R1 cube, 4S by R2 into 4 by 3 pi R2 cube, so here if R1 is removed, this becomes 2. We can take 4 for the 16 pi S by 3 common. So R square is equal to R1 square R2 square. R is equal to under root R1 square plus R2 square. This is the answer. What is the pressure inside the drop of mercury of radius 3 mm at room temperature? Its surface tension is this much at the temperature. The atmospheric pressure is this much. Also give excess pressure inside the drop. So there are two questions. One is the pressure inside the drop, another is excess pressure. First let us find excess pressure. Excess pressure inside liquid drop, the formula (2S by R). (3.1 into 10 power minus 3 brought upward means plus 3 minus 1. So we get 310 pascals. 310 pascals. Second one is pressure inside, that is Pi is asked. So Pi minus Po, we got 310 pascals. Now Pi is asked. Pi is equal to 310 plus Po. PO means atmospheric pressure. This is, so that is given atmospheric pressure. This is PO. Now 1 2 3 4 5 2 zeros plus 1.01, we get 1.0131 into 10 to the power of 5. So this is the answer. But we have to consider only, see here we have 3 significant figures. Therefore, here also we have to take up to 3 significant figures only. Here significant figures 1, 2, 3, only 3. So here also we have to take up to only 3 significant figures. Therefore,